driving to work. I'll just tell you a little bit about my story. Everybody that's new, basically I have a long drive back and forth from the house to the job site, so it's easier for me just to stay at the job site for the week. I don't like to stay in hotels. Not only that, they're kind of expensive. So I just like to live out my camper throughout the week. Basically, my videos are mostly how I get through the week, living out of my camper. I have several videos before this one, if you want to go back and check them out. Each one's a little different. Yeah. Greatly appreciate each and every one of you that watches. I can't thank you guys all enough. And I just want to say thank you, everyone, for all the people that reached out while I was sick and in the hospital. All the good prayers and wishes to get better. Definitely greatly appreciate them. We're definitely gonna have a good week. And I hope each and every one of you guys all have a good week. Yeah.
Up north sky, little town glow, Minnesota wind kicking up that snow. He's clocked in, but he's camped right here. Truck bed home when the storm rolls near. Puppies curled up in a flannel pile, coffee in a thermos, that famous smile. Camera on dash, hit the red light, another wild day in the life of mine. Like a day just parts, lighting up the dark. From the frozen lakes to the gravel parks, truck bed dreams under northern stars, yeah. That's famous Mike, riding near and far, boots in the mud, heart on the trail. Rain, wind, sun, he just sets that sail. Click, play, ride, shotgun in his heart, but not get bitches parts. The ice shack set on a glass blue lake, puppies at his feet watch the tip up shake. Motorcycle humming when the roads run dry, dirt on his jeans, big open sky. Lunch break, hike on a ride like that, living at the weather when it's showing its wrath. From the campfire glow to the morning light, he's living that story every single night.